Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply today. I've got SeaKlear's Chitosan Clarifier. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this in your pool, and it's pretty straightforward, but keep watching, we'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So, SeaKlear's Chitosan Clarifier. This stuff is amazing. It's pretty much made up of crushed up like crab leg shells. So it's kind of cool. It's a very, I guess, recyclable product, which is nice. But the concept behind this is it's going to gather up all those impurities in your water and put them in your filter. So it's going to make stuff that's too small for your filter to filter out, actually catch it. So it finds it all together, makes it bigger, so your filter can now filter it out. So this stuff's great. I mean, they only recommend 1 ounce per 10,000 gallons, but I've been dealing with this stuff for the past 25 years, and every single manufacturer's rep that I've dealt with on this says you pretty much cannot overdose on it. So the cool part, I think they give you a little squirt top, which they do. So again, you can just take it and just squirt it in your pool. And what it's gonna do, like literally, it's gonna gather up all that stuff. It's gonna sink it to the bottom, get it to the filter. I mean, it's pretty cool. This is really, really good stuff. And you'll notice a huge difference, especially if you have a sand filter. So if you have a sand filter without any glass media, just regular sand media, this is the most recommended product for you. Highly, highly, highly recommend the Speedo sand filter. So again, SeaKlear's Chitosan Clarifier, very easy to install. You just point and shoot. It's pretty kind of cool. So again, I'm Jacob at ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.